Welcome back to the serene and charming neighborhood at Telok Blangah Street 31. This is where you get to wake up to lush greenery, feel the cool breeze, and enjoy the seamless connectivity where comfort meets convenience. Hi, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee AG, and today I'm here at Telok Blangah Parkview to show you this super high floor, 4-room HDB flat, the home that ticks all the checkboxes. Join me to head up to the unit.
Telok Blangah Parkview was completed in 2017 with a very healthy balanced lease of 91 years.
Living here comes with incredible perks. Research has shown that staying close to nature can reduce stress levels, improve focus and creativity, promote better eye health, and enhance overall well-being. A home is more than just the four walls and furniture. It's where cherished memories are made. In this home, the owners have spent many wonderful years raising their family, filling the space with laughter, love, warmth, and many unforgettable moments. And now, it's ready for the next family to create their own special memories.
This home is 93 square meters or 1001 square feet.
That is very regular in terms of layout. From this layout, you have spacious living and dining area, a master with ensuite, 2 common bedrooms and a common bathroom, and a kitchen with adjoining yard and a household shelter that is very useful for storage. The home is north-south facing, which gives you a very ideal orientation and ventilation, which means no west sun, just natural light and a comfortable breeze in the house. As you step into the house, an open and spacious living and dining area greets you. There's minimal fixture, which enables you to have a versatile canvas to style the house to your taste. The north-south facing unit makes it a very comfortable living space. The windows are 3/4 height and allows for plenty of natural light accompanied by a refreshing breeze that enhances the appeal of the home. Standing by the window, you appreciate the vastness of the sky, enjoy far-reaching views, and even the sea. Picture this, chilling in the comfort of your living room to watch the fireworks and fly past right outside your window. The unit is bright and cheery, with lots of natural light accompanied by a refreshing breeze that enhances the appeal. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. With clean, minimal build-up design, this home is a versatile canvas waiting for you to make it your own. Whether it's cozy family nights, playtime with the little ones, or simply enjoying the peace and comfort of your home. As you can see, the owner placed a 3-seater sofa set. If you wish, you can put a bigger sofa set to lounge in the living room. With an open concept in place, this gives the whole house a spacious feel. Fully equipped with gas stoves and oven, top and bottom cabinets fitted with Bloom soft-closing hinges, this kitchen is all set for you to whip up delicious meals for the family. The adjacent yard area is bright and well ventilated. The yard area is west-facing, which is fantastic for the sunning of your clothes. Grills have been installed for the safety of your young ones. A laundry rack system and foldable door allows you to quietly divide the kitchen and the yard, creating a tidy and welcoming space. The dining area features a cozy 4-seater table, perfect for intimate meals and conversations around the table. There's also ample space to accommodate an expandable table for 6 to 8 people, offering flexibility for larger get-togethers. With an open layout, the space flows seamlessly from dining to kitchen areas, creating a warm and connected atmosphere for everyday living. The master bedroom is cheery and cozy, with large windows that flood the room with natural light. You will enjoy the fantastic view with greenery and pocket sea views. In addition, you can witness the entire transformation from the comfort of your window. All the bedrooms are fitted with ceiling fans. The master bedroom is spacious and comes with a raised platform that creates a nice separation of space in the sleeping area. The cove lighting on the platform structure adds a cozy ambience. For parents with young children, there's more than ample space for a baby cot. This room is certainly an ideal haven to unwind after a long day. The master bathroom comes with ventilation windows, sanitary fittings, large mirrored storage cabinet, and a suspended bottom cabinetry and shower screen nicely done up. Common bathroom comes with WC and mirror with basin. Both common bedrooms are spacious and bright. Lots of natural light streams in through the windows, and the rooms are airy, well ventilated and breezy. One of the common bedrooms is used as a home office. The other common bedroom currently features a single bed. There is no built-in furniture in this other bedroom, so you can design the room to fit your needs. be it a study room, home gym, children's games room, or a movie room. You can add in a study table into the room or replace the single bed with a king or queen size bed. There's definitely more than sufficient space for you to do so. Situated in the newest cluster in the area, it is strategically located within the Greater Southern Waterfront, an upcoming transformation that will reshape Singapore's southern coast into a vibrant gateway for urban living. There will be redevelopment on key sites, such as the former Pasir Panjang Power District, Keppel Club, and Mount Faber. The Keppel Club site, in particular, will be transformed into a new residential enclave featuring 9,000 new homes, offering future residents unparalleled access to waterfront living, green spaces, and excellent transport connectivity. For drivers, major expressways include AYE, CTE, West Coast Highway that provide quick access to key parts of the city. A variety of shopping and dining options are just around the corner, including Telok Blangah Food Centre, Telok Blangah Mall, Vivo City, Alexandra Retail Centre, and Harbourfront Centre. For entertainment, you can head off to Safra Mount Faber, where you get to enjoy pool, gym, and bowling facilities or games room. You can also attend fitness classes there. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the close proximity to scenic parks and trails, such as Telok Blangah Hill Park, Labrador Park, Hot Park, iconic Henderson Waves, and Southern Ridges. Families with young children have excellent schooling options, with Telok Blangah Rise Primary School, Gan Sing Primary School, and Radin Mas Primary School, all located within a 2-kilometre radius. The nearest MRT is Telok Blangah MRT, which is within a 10-minute walk. Alternatively, you can also take a bus to Harbourfront MRT with dual MRT lines, Circle Line and North East Line. With the completion of Circle Line expansion expected to take place in 2026, you can look forward to an even more direct route to the Central Business District and the Marina Bay area from Harbourfront. There will be opening of 3 MRT stations at Keppel, Cantonment, and Prince Edward Road. In short, this will mean shortening of travel time and more convenience to you. This home blends functionality and practicality in a prime location. With ease and versatility, this home adapts to your design style and preference. Its minimalist design offers a blank canvas for you to personalize and create your dream home. Situated on a high floor, this home enjoys refreshing breeze and amazing views. With nature and amenities at your doorstep, it's the perfect balance between comfort and convenience. It's been my pleasure to showcase this lovely home and would love for you to experience this in person. Once again, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee AAG. Feel free to contact me for information, to schedule for our exclusive viewing, or to feature your home. See you soon!